Hi, my name is Rosalba, and I'd like to share my thoughts on the Wholesale Underground by Marvin Leonard. When I was first introduced to Marvin's YouTube channel, I was immediately drawn to his teaching style, which is no fluff and straight to the point. So when I heard he was coming out with a course, I immediately knew I would be enrolling. And I am here to tell you that I was very happy with my decision. His course is very structured, so it makes it very easy to follow along. And I promise you that you will learn everything you will need to give you the knowledge and all the confidence to get started, because that's what it did for me. And so I immediately took action and started contacting suppliers. And I'm happy to say that I am currently working with a few suppliers, and I am successfully selling wholesale products on Amazon. I also want to share that Marvin is an amazing mentor. He is always willing to help and very easily accessible. That being said, I wholeheartedly endorse the Wholesale Underground by Marvin Leonard. So if you have any interest in enrolling, I strongly encourage you to do so.